And being a woman, I was truly ashamed of myself not knowing this lady.
I would have been able to dub, I would have dubbed in all my languages, but I could manage to dub in two languages, Telugu and Hindi.
ఫస్ట్ లుక్ కాస్ట్యూమ్ వేసుకొని మేకప్ చేసి అలా వస్తుంటే కాసిం రెడ్డి వస్తున్నాడా అనిపించింది. అలా సేమ్ అలా ఆయన
And lot of rumors that it is pro BJP movie and it is anti-Muslim movie, it is anti-Islam and that this and all. But
Tell me, how much of cinematic license have you taken in telling the story?
100% ट्रू स्टोरी है. 100% ट्रू स्टोरी. सीरियसली 100% ट्रू स्टोरी. खाली लास्ट शॉट है ना, वो बुरका वाली पत्थर से मारती, वो एक क्रिएटेड, वो एक शॉट क्रिएटेड, मगर 100% रियल हिस्ट्री है.
Cinema is not just a story, it's also about how these actors don these characters and convincingly become that. So my question would be to the lovely Indraja first. So are you worried a little as an actress, because there is a way in which you will be stamped if you do certain kind of films? In all times, I'm sure the reverse has happened in some other time also. So how do you take this chance to do these films? Do you just look at it as roles, or do you get associated because you believe?
when director Garu first approached me, I have no idea about this great personality, Chakali Ailamma. So he said that first you go search in Google, get to know about her, just a little bit of a glimpse. Then it will be easy for me to narrate the character. Then I went and searched for Chakali Ailamma. I was ashamed of myself that being a Telugu girl and worked for so many years in Hyderabad, that particular place, but I'm not aware of this great personality. And being a woman, I was truly ashamed of myself not knowing this lady, because she has sacrificed almost everything. Her home, her daughter being misbehaved, and she lost everything, almost everything in her life to fight for, just for the livelihood and for the righteousness. So after that, director Garu explained me all this narration and everything. I just went for what you have seen here is a very very little thing, because the movie is it has a long run, so it was chopped up, the edited the portions. So I went and I learned the fight sequences and all. I just went for the stick fight. For 1 month, I have taken my classes without even informing the director. I myself did the homework and then I started learning the Telangana language. What you have seen is a very short time of screen space, but for that, my homework was about 2 months. So that even director Garu doesn't know, and no one knows in the film set also. But I have done my part.
All of you came in with your own passion.
Yes, exactly. Because still, I feel that I have a long way to go and lot more to do. I need to push myself. So still, it is there, but I'm getting recognition for that. Whatever the little I have done, and I'm so blessed and thankful to director Garu for offering me this role.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you, Shailama. Thank you.
So how did Yata sir reach out to you for this? Why were you selected from your point?
I still have no idea.
You never asked
This is
him
a nice
this.
question.
And when you especially told me that he said that he dubbed for himself in Telugu. So tell me the process about that.
Acha, first though, I want to thank you that you noticed that I was unhappy by seeing my dubbing and all. I was really
ये
unhappy.
दोस्त है यार, ये नहीं देखेगा क्या?
But that is not my call, so I thought let me just avoid it. That is maker's call. And if I would have been able to dub, I would have dubbed in all my languages, but I could manage to dub in two languages, Telugu and Hindi. But because I have to manage other projects as well. But I'm happy you understood it. Thank you. Whose passion is cinema, performance, and who wants to get into the skin of the character will go to the level where he can get the truth, whether it is right or wrong, and whatever preparation he needs to do that, he will go till the extreme. And that is what I am also used to do for each and every role of mine. And especially if it is a biopic or historical, which people may claim or can say that this has not happened and all, I be more careful. So everything, whatever was possible, I have done it for this role.
ఫస్ట్ లుక్ కాస్ట్యూమ్ వేసుకొని మేకప్ చేసి అలా వస్తుంటే కాసిం రెడ్డి వస్తున్నాడా అనిపించింది. అలా సేమ్ అలా ఆయన హీరోయిన్ అలా కాదు, క్యారెక్టర్ ఆవిడ మీదనే ఉంటుంది. అందులో అన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది మేడం. ఓకే ఈవిడ చాకలీలమ్మకు బాగుంటారు అనుకుని మేడం అప్రోచ్ అయితే మేడం ఫస్ట్ ఓకే చెప్పి